Alrighty folks, here we got a TAKEUCHI TB240. This one came as a trade-in from a local contractor here. We have not run it through the shop. We're going to sell it as a pre-shop special. As you can see, it runs and drives. It does have the back end. The hood has got some things on it. It is missing a tooth here. But as far as I can see, no leaks. We haven't looked over it closely, but no leaks. It does have a code that's beeping. I'm not sure what that code is about, but it does run and drive. So we're selling it cheap as is. If you want to take it home, fix it up, that's great. Maybe use it just like it is, whatever suits you.